What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're up here at Billy Ray Motorsports. We got our nitrous kit from him. I bought it yesterday from him, picked it up, and he messaged me back on Facebook and told me to come get a bottle heater with it for free. So I thought, what the heck, I'll come back up here. I'll show you guys his shop, and yeah, let's go ahead and go inside this gate and I'll show you guys around. What's up, man? Appreciate you having me back.
Found this guy.
I appreciate that.
Yeah. How you been?
I've been good.
What you got going on?
Nothing, man. Just yesterday I was at I went up to the parts store, just got some wiring stuff so I could try and get ready for this thing because I plan on putting it in Saturday. So
Oh yeah.
I think I'm gonna use the actual button instead of using the wide open throttle
That's
switch.
how I've done it on a lot of my own personal vehicles. Customers' cars, we won't do that. It's way too easy to blow shit up.
Yeah.
On my personal vehicles, I use it as a passenger.
Oh yeah, passenger.
Because usually everything I build makes enough power. You don't need it until half track, anyways.
Yeah.
And so I always have in my hand, leave real hard. If somebody's got the edge on me, then I give it everything it's got.
There you go, man.
Now at least it drives.
Got an LT supercharged here, Whipple. Yeah, it did. Started right up. We're almost right up. Alright guys, we just left Billy's shop. Headed home now. I'm going to show you guys the nitrous kit when I get home. Billy's a really cool guy. Y'all should hit him up. His Facebook is Billy Rank Motorsports. I'll leave a link in the comments for y'all. It's just his personal Facebook page. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get home, and I'll show you the nitrous kit. So. And we're back at the house. Here's the kit. Here's the bottle right here. It's a 10-pound bottle. Here's the bottle heater I just got. And then here's the lines and stuff. Purge valve right here. Let's see. Got the purge valve right here. And then fuel and nitrous solenoids in one right here. And then here's the bottle brackets. And this is my makeshift nitrous plate. It's a throttle body spacer for these trucks, and I just tapped it on the side right there for one of these nozzles right here, one of these nozzles. So we're gonna start installing this thing. Also shout out Chewy. He sent me these stickers. He's a stand-up guy. I love him. The throttle body really made a difference, and I hope to do more work with him in the future. But without further ado, let's start installing this thing. All right, guys, so first things first, we gotta pull this panel off right here so we can get to, there's a box right here, and then we also have to get to, we have something that's going through the firewall already. I'll show you guys. We're gonna come through that grommet right there, where that harness is coming out of. So we're gonna come to the side right here, just like this wire is, because we've done this before. So that's what we're gonna do. All right, so we just ran this to the firewall right here. You see this hose right here coming to the firewall. It's for the nitrous coming straight from the bottle. And we're running it kind of ghetto along the firewall here. And we just use self-tapping metal screws to get this Zex plate in. We had to put it upside down just because of positioning of everything. And so fuel is going to come from the rail right here, and we're going to wrap around the back of the intake with the fuel, come in right there, and then nitrous is right here coming along the firewall back here. We're going to have to loop back around and plug it right here. So now we're going to start wiring, I guess. All right, getting solder warm right now. We've got to wire this harness right here coming out of these solenoids right here, and then we got to wire it to this relay harness over here. So that's what we're doing right now. Just came with the parts store. Had to get some more wiring stuff. So we're gonna pick what we need and head back to the house.
Hold on.
All right, we made it back. We're running some of the wires right now. We're trying to get stuff in cab, but I'm not gonna keep showing y'all this. I'm just gonna put some music over it. Let y'all enjoy this. Alright, back from the store. We did a little bit of wiring. So this, where is it? Where's the relay? Oh, right here it is. This is going to be the relay for the Purge. We've got all the wires ran basically, we just don't have them plugged in here yet. This is all going to get cleaned up. This looks terrible, but it's getting hot right now. This is how it's going to look. I mean, we're gonna tuck these behind the intake, but this is basically how it's going to go. These two right here, this is fuel nitrous, and they're gonna come right here into the intake. Got a spacer for it. We're gonna do all that tomorrow morning, I believe. It's getting hot right now, so we'll catch you guys in the morning. What is up, guys? It's the next day out here. We're gonna finish wiring up this nitrous kit, the majority of it, because I've got to wait till I get paid to get a few more things, but we're gonna wire up this Purge and then hopefully wire up the bottle heater. And the only thing that would be left after this is a nitrous button. Like, I can press it when I'm ready to use it, and then getting the bottle filled and then tune and all that stuff. But maybe we'll play around with it before it's tune, I don't know. But let's go ahead and finish this thing up. Yeah, let's get after it. There's Tanner. Alright, so I just threw this button in right here. Went up to the parts store, grabbed this button. This one's gonna glow blue. This one's gonna glow red, so I can distinguish them. This is gonna be bottle heater. And this is gonna be nitrous arm right here. And we're currently wiring up this Purge button right here, which is gonna go right here in the dash. So putting connectors on it right now, and then we'll solder it, or we'll heat shrink it and then throw it in there. Alrighty, so we threw this button in right here. We ended up not soldering it because we just found some female connectors that fit it, so we just crimped them on there and ran the wires through the dash right here. You can see positive and negative, and we've got negative grounded up here right there, and then positive runs to the engine bay through all that. And then, like I said, bottle heater, and then nitrous arm right there. We'll use this step bit and made the hole big enough to put those buttons in. So we've got almost everything ran, but that's all we can do for right now, because we've got, well, I mean, things I could do right now. I mean, I could put the spacer on, but I do want to drive up somewhere. I need to go a couple places in the truck first. But we've got all this wiring done. I need to make it look good right now because I hate that. I don't know. I want it to look clean. I want it to look factory. So these are two of the power wires right here that we could either run them to the battery right here, this terminal, or get a fuse block. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but I'll figure it out soon. So things to get: one, a button to hit to turn on the nitrous. Two, get the bottle filled, wire in the bottle heater, and then put that spacer on, and that's pretty much it. I mean, other than a tune, I do need a tune pretty bad, but that'll get me going down the road with nitrous. I need to get the jets ordered as well for the fuel and nitrous jets. But I appreciate you guys watching. I know you guys wanted to see this a little bit of in-depth. I tried to give y'all a little bit. I didn't want to overload y'all with information though, because that gets kind of boring. So thanks for watching, guys. Like our video, subscribe, follow our Instagram at jackstandbuilds, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.